I have a 23 R1. I need to replace this fairing here because I got a flat tire and my bike fell over. And you can see right here that it screwed my fairing up. This fairing piece right here, you can actually pull towards you, and there's like a little rubber grommet right there that it pops out of, and you have to remove that bolt right here where my thumb is at. You can see right back behind here, there's that little push pin. We need to push the middle of it. It's gonna pop out. All right, so this guy should just come right out here. Now, down here at the bottom, you're gonna need to kind of pull down a little bit because it's held in place right here, this guy. Just be really careful here, it just slides right out. So take your old piece, remove these rubber pieces here, and install them accordingly onto the new fairing. On the back of the fairing that came with the bike, I'm going to try to remove these pieces here. Okay, I have some double-sided 3M tape right here that I'm just using on the back of the foam pieces that I removed from the old fairing. If you look on the fairing itself, it's got some markings, so you can see like these little bitty lines that are marked. That kind of gives you an idea where the foam pieces are going to go. There we go. Okay, I have all the foam pieces back on right here, and then I just use this 3M tape just to put that right in this location as well. We're going to go ahead and install the new fairing. Now don't forget, down here at the bottom, you have to slip the back end of this fairing onto this piece right here. All right, so you want to make sure that you slip that guy on. You don't want to forget that. Before you insert this guy into the rubber grommet, the little piece on the back here, go ahead and put your bolt in first. There you go. And we'll go ahead and put this guy in.